Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate in Blockbench. Duplicating is useful for repeating shapes without rebuilding them from scratch. First, select the cube mesh or group you want to duplicate. The duplicated object will appear in the same position as the original. Press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate it instantly. You'll also see the duplicated element appear in the outliner panel. Select the duplicated object and move it using the Move tool to separate it from the original. You can also right-click the object and select Duplicate from the menu. This feature helps speed up modeling while keeping proportions consistent. Keep in mind that renaming duplicated objects can help avoid confusion as your project grows. And that's how to duplicate in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.